Hello and welcome to Success Media YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about business ideas for beginners. Please subscribe and type subscribed in the comment section below. 1. Virtual assistant. If you have strong organizational skills and a knack for detail, consider becoming a virtual assistant, as it is an easy way to get a business started. As a VA, you can support business owners who are too busy or don't have the time to do everything themselves. You can perform tasks such as managing schedules, booking travel, answering emails, and more. 2. Childcare. If you're good with children, starting a childcare business could be the right choice. It requires minimal startup costs and is easy to get started. Usually, all you need are some educational certificates or training in early education development. You can begin by offering daycare services for infants, toddlers, preschoolers, school-aged kids, and even special needs children. 3. Social media consultant. Knowing the ins and outs of Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram can lead to this lucrative service business. Here, a consultant acts as a social media manager to help enterprises develop their social media accounts and execute a social media strategy. This could include helping create or manage profiles on various platforms, developing and implementing campaigns, and more. 4. Instagram influencer. If you have a large following on places like Instagram, consider becoming an influencer. As an Instagram influencer, you can promote products and services to your followers in exchange for money. You'll typically be paid per post or by commission for the products you sell. Be sure you read up on the FTC's Disclosures 101 for social media influencers before starting one of these online businesses though. 5. Etsy seller. An Etsy shop is a great business idea if you have a creative flair. For the uninitiated, Etsy is a platform where artists and crafters can sell their handmade or vintage items. You'll need to create a profile with photos of your products, set up payment and shipping information, and write a description of your items. Then, when someone buys something from your shop, you'll need to ship it out. 6. SEO consultant. A consulting business is one of the more lucrative ideas on this list, and if you are knowledgeable about search engine optimization, being an SEO consultant is an excellent small business idea. An SEO consultant analyzes a client's website and makes recommendations for improving its search engine rankings. An SEO consultant analyzes a client's website and makes recommendations for improving its search engine rankings. 7. Event planning business. Consider starting your own event planning business if you love to plan events. As an event planner, you'll be responsible for all aspects of the event planning process, from budgeting to coordinating vendors to designing invitations. 8. Hairdresser. Do you have a passion for hair and styling? If so, starting your own hair salon could be the perfect business venture for you. It's relatively easy to start a hair salon. You just need to invest in some basic equipment and supplies. Plus, plenty of online courses are available to help you get started. 9. Yoga teacher. If you're a yoga teacher, you can build a yoga business to make money while doing something you love. It's important to note that starting a yoga studio can be expensive. You'll need to invest in equipment and rent or purchase space, but if you have the right connections and are willing to put the time and effort into it, you could be looking at a profitable business venture. 10. Landscaping business. A landscape business is a profitable small business to start if you're good with your hands and have a love for nature. As a landscaper, you'll be responsible for designing, installing, and maintaining landscapes and gardens. Tasks you'll be doing could include mowing lawns, planting flowers, trimming trees, and more. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel Success Media. Like this video and share it with your friends. Hit the bell icon to get notified about all our newly uploaded videos. Thanks for watching.